I am so excited to show you our newest luxury condo listing with Greywood at First and Park in Eau Claire. If you are looking for a downtown lifestyle where community meets affordable luxury living, this 18-story building sits right on the Bow River, just steps away from the Peace Bridge and Princess Island Park. We are offering everything from a cozy one-bedroom up to a spacious three-bedroom unit, with amenities including an upscale gym and yoga studio, party lounge, and a modern co-working space. Let's go take a look.